Hey, alright, so I have this. I'm gonna pop this thing open for you guys. Alright. It's one of those old Lego books with the pieces inside. So I'm gonna open this thing up. It's an unopening video, an official unopening video. It says it has enough pieces to build a ship and has the Green Lantern inside. Okay, I don't care about anything else. I just want the pieces. You know how I am. Kind of a cool book. Not really into them, but hell, if there's Lego in it. Sitting here untouched for a long time. Alright. Yes! And then we do have minifigure. So I'm gonna open the thing up. Cool pieces. Oh, good. Trans green. Awesome pieces. Wow. Okay. I just want him. Let's just take out a minifigure. His hair's in there. Head. Shirt. Where are my pants? Pants. Alright, now where do you got the head? A lot of trans green. Definitely using building minifigure. So it's a bit of both in this video. Alright, build my figure. Oh, one short head. Oh, he has two faces. Angry. And bam. Green Lantern. That's awesome. Alright, so that's a impromptu unopening and build video. Is there a ring at all? No. I do have. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching.